All right, you're all welcome back to Spep Action Tech. Today we are going to talk about how we can make free calls or how we can make like 1 hour call with only 0.09 airtime, 0.09 Ghana cedis, or we will say 0.09 pesos, or how we can make like 10 hours call with only one Ghana cedi. Only one Ghana cedi. Those who are not in Ghana, because you know this family, we have people in Nigeria, people from like Kenya, we have so many people across the country. There's some from Benin and all those countries. I know there's MTN in most of these places, so let's all try and use the step. First, you need to buy free after one, and that one is the code I've just entered. Free after one, so dial *550#. Free after one. Free after one is a service that gives us that allows us to pay for the first 1 minute of each call we make. It allows you to pay for the first 1 minute if you are new to this service, but I know most of this family will be using it. I'm just going to show you how you can use 0.09 to make that call. Because if you don't follow this one, or if you don't know this trick, it will charge you like 30 pesos per call. This service charges you 30 pesos per call. So to do this service, just activate the free after 1 minute. Then the next one is to go for MTN mashup. MTN mashup too. We'll be buying a bundle there that will give us 1 minute call, which costs only 0.09. It's not up to 10 pesos. So let's 10 pesos rather. Let's try and then follow it. And this the mashup code is *567*1*1*1# hash *2#. The one should be trade, then *2#, and just look at it well. You can get a pen and document it down and make sure that you dial it, or you can decide to dial the simple one *567#. Then when you dial it, it will come. You select that you don't want to use it on their app, and then it will come again. You select the like the range that you want to buy, and all these steps are in 111. You follow like 3 steps. It is in option 111. That's why I did it *111. And you get to some place, and there will be amount for you there to choose like 1 Ghana cedi. You should choose that you want to enter your own amount. That one is the option 2. That was last. So when it comes, you will now input the amount 0.09. Then dial it. You make sure that you choose the option 1 again, which has 2.31 megabyte and then 1.02 megabyte minis rather. Yeah, the first option. You see that it is the only one that has the highest minis. All the rest has lower one, and those one you can also use like you can buy them, but it won't give you the opportunity to talk for like 1 minute. What we are also saying is that with this service you should be able to talk for 1 minute, and then the free after 1 minute service also allows you to make call, to make like 1 hour call with only paying only the first 1 minute. Not just any 1 minute, but the first 1 minute that you encounter, the free after one. That is the meaning, as the name implies. It will allow you to pay for the first minute, then you enjoy the rest of the call. So they've programmed it to work like that. Usually it always charges us like 30 pesos. If you don't buy the mashup bundle, it will charge you 30 pesos. or if the range I think it's almost 30 pesos. So we are trying to break that rule. That is why we are going to use the mashup, because there are two serves. One serve gives you 1 minute call with only 0.09, and the other one says you should make call for what do we call it? You should make call and pay for the first 1 minute. So we are trying to combine these two things together, because the thing is not a human, it's a machine that they've programmed it to do all these things. So you are trying to also break that algorithm that was raised there. So let's just try. Let's try and then follow the steps. When you get here, you input your payment method. Just input your payment method and go away. After this, the next thing we are going to do is okay, we are almost done, but we are going to talk. There are two methods that you can buy this pause this and that one is the USSD code that we did, or using the MTN pause app. So if you don't have the pause app, or what we call mashup, MTN mashup app, just go and download it from your store. And depending on the phone that you are using, just go to the store, download it, open it, and you love it. Here it's very simple to use. You can just click once and you get your bundle. It's not like the USSD code that you dial it for so many cents. You just dial something long like that. And when you come here, just make sure that our data and this one is 00. So let's just select mashup bottom, and that one is the one that we can see at the bottom there, as I have showed with the ink. Okay, I hope we've all seen it. So let's just select that one. One interested thing, like I said, and the interesting thing in this app is that any amount that you always buy, it will be safe. So when you just come, you can click on buy again once, and just click buy again once, you get your bundle and go back. But because some of us might be new here, we are not going to use the buy again, but we will be using what we call the Flexi mashup. Sorry. So we are going to use Flexi mashup, as you've seen. So let's just click on it and then wait. Are you buying it for someone or yourself? You choose that and then click on next. We make sure that we show the default amount is 0.07, so let's just choose 0.09. Please, you make sure that any problem that you face in this thing, you just input it in the comment section. Leave all your problems in the comment section, or any suggestion that you think you want to add. Here we will make sure that you choose the one that has 1 minute. The one that this is up to 1 minute. You can see that this one, the minute is 0.00, so this one too is 0.61. It's not also up to 1 minute. So we just go back and select this one. This 1 minute is up to 1, is 1.01, and that is what we are interested in for the purpose of this tutorial. You can see there clear, the minute is up. So what we do, we just go and we choose our payment method as usual. Then you confirm your payment if you chose Momo. If you also chose like your your wallet, your account balance, it will be charged automatically. Here you can see that this thing has just been, that bottom is there, so you just click it once and then you choose your payment method and click pay. That is all. So anytime you come back, you don't need to follow the long process. Just click buy again, and then with one click you'll be done and you run away. So it's very, very interesting. What you need to know that is that you buy it for each call. After each call, you buy again. Because if you buy like two or three and compile them together, they will charge you like up to 30 pesos on. So they can charge like 3 minutes on one, because the lesson has been programmed to charge 30 pesos. So let's make sure that we obey these instructions. We all know that instructions is always part of life, and anyone who wants to live must always follow instructions. If not that, you can't live in this world. So it's very, very important. If you have any problem, don't forget to subscribe and be part of the family. And thank you.